This is our first experiment of our key activity.
In this experiment, we will drop 3 milliliters of Salsa Valentina into 3 different cloths, and well, we will see and measure the efficiency of each powder, depending is biodegradable or not.
We already measure our spots of sauce, and we already separate 5 grams of each detergent. So now we're gonna put some water and rub the cloth for 2 minutes, and then rinse the t-shirt, let them dry, and again measure how much has the spot decreased.
Well, in this experiment, the first one we will show is this one that is acid, and we'll
the stain was 2.4 and it reduced to 2.3.
This is the second one that is Ariel, and in this one it done reduction. It was 2.2 and it stays like 2.2.
And then we have Roma, which was 2.5 and it reduced to 2.3. This one is the
biodegradable one.
We already did the experiment 3 times, and the results with Ariel, the 3 times we used 5 grams of powder. The first time there was no reduction. The second time it was only 0.1 centimeters of reduction, and the third time there was no reduction at all.
And with acid, with 5 grams of powder, the first time was 0.1, the second time it was 0.2, and the third time it repeated at 0.1.
Then with the detergent Roma, the first time it reduced 0.2 with 5 grams, the second time 0.2 again, and the third time again. It was very consistent. Now we're gonna add 5 more grams, so in total we're gonna have 10 grams of detergent. It's right here. So we already measured the stain. In Roma it was of 2.7.
In Ariel it was of 2 centimeters, and in Ace it was of 2.5 centimeters.
So now we're gonna use the 10 grams, add some water, and rub again for 2 minutes, and then measure again the stain. We already rubbed this one for 2 minutes and this one. Now we're measuring how, if there was some reduction.
2.4, friend. Now we are going to tell you the results of this experiment with 10 grams of powder.
With Ariel and 10 grams of powder, it reduced only 0.1 centimeters the 3 times we did it.
With acid, it reduced 0.1 in the first 2 attempts, and in the third attempt or experiment, it reduced 0.2 centimeters.
And with Roma, 10 grams of powder, it reduced 0.2, and in the third attempt, it reduced 0.3 centimeters.